The Solo Mic Preamplifier series brings the best of Universal Audio's preamplifier designs to the single-channel format in a highly versatile form factor. Unlike stationary rack gear, the Solo preamps can be conveniently used in the control room, recording room, on stage, or desktop due to its portable design. Not just a preamp, the Solos also function as direct boxes, as they have high impedance input and through output for direct connection to an amplifier. The Solos also feature an option for either line or mic level output to go direct to your recording medium or to a console or secondary preamp. Both the Solo 610 and 110 are hand assembled by Universal Audio in the USA. Carefully created to maintain all of the character of its vintage predecessor, the tube-powered Solo 610 continues the component and sonic standards professionals expect from its more expensive UA siblings, like the 2610 and the M610. Crafted to maintain the sonic elements of the Precision line, the Solo 110 features our custom-built discrete op amps and components found on its more expensive cousins, the 4110 and 8110. Like the 610 preamps found in the 2610, 6176, and LA610, the Solo 610 features preamp gain and output level control, with a maximum gain of 61 dB. Also, like the 610, we included the ability to switch the input impedance between 500 and 2K ohms for microphones, as indicated with the high and low Z switch. In DI mode, the Solo 610 switches between 2.2 mega ohms and 47 K ohms for guitars, basses, and keyboards. 48 volt phantom power is offered, as well as low cut filter and phase reverse. Down here is the high impedance input and through output. The input signal meter is a 3-color LED. On the rear of the unit, there are the XLR connectors, the power switch, mic line switch for the output, and ground lift switch. The Solo 110 features preamp gain and output level control, with a maximum gain of 74 dB for the mic input. Like the Solo 610, the inputs are switchable between high and low impedance. When the button is illuminated, the upper choice is active. For example, the Solo 110 is in mic input mode with a low impedance setting. Also, like the Solo 610, the 110 features 48 volt phantom power, low cut filter, phase reverse, and high impedance input and output. The input signal meter is a 3-color LED. On the rear of the unit, there are the XLR connectors, the power switch, mic line switch for the output, and ground lift switch.